Forced radial or ulnar deviation resulting in collateral ligament overload. Hyperextension trauma leading to ligamentous disruption. Sports-related impact injuries, ball strike, fall on outstretched hand, axial load events. Direct blunt trauma to the finger causing ligament compromise. Repetitive stress or chronic microtrauma leading to ligament insufficiency. Auxilock titanium screw-in suture anchor. Strong and reliable soft tissue fixation for ligament repair. Self-tapping titanium screw-in design for simplified insertion. Cancellous thread geometry for high pull-out strength. Available in multiple diameters with preloaded high-strength bio-braid sutures. Optional needle-loaded configurations for mini-open techniques. Position the patient supine with the injured arm resting dorsally for access. Place the 8-point slotted drill guide at the middle phalanx, palmar to midline, 5 to 10 mm distal to the joint line. Use 1.8 mm drill bit through drill guide to tap the middle phalanx. Retrieve drill bit and drill guide. Place the titanium screw in suture anchor on the marking. Screw in the handle to place the anchor inside the bone. Stop screwing once the marking on the handle reaches the bone. Remove cap from handle head to free sutures. Retrieve the handle once the titanium anchor is secured. Pass needles with sutures through torn RCL. Tie knots using sutures to secure the RCL to the titanium anchor. Cut excess sutures. RCL repair with Auxion's titanium screw-in suture anchor is completed. Protective immobilization with splint/brace. Protected range of motion as per protocol, avoid varus/valgus stress and forceful gripping. Progressive hand therapy with graded strengthening. Monitor instability or wound issues, return to sports after functional stability and surgeon clearance.